So we have taken some questions like this, where we had some parts about write the fraction representing the shaded portion. Okay, these were some type of questions that we were discussing yesterday. Okay, let's do this. Now first learn what is fraction. Okay. After that, we will learn what are the different types of fractions. But first, we must be thorough with what is fraction actually. Okay, let's see now. See this question. Write the fraction representing the shaded portion. Okay, now I'll ask you one by one, both of you. Here is Bhavesh. Bhavesh lost his connection. Okay, now see this triangular part. This triangle is divided into equal parts, and there are 4 parts of it. 1, 2, 3, and 4, right? Out of which we can see that 2 parts are shaded. So Neha, what will be the fraction of this?
1, 2, 4.
2 by 4. Okay, we will not call 2, 4. This is 2 by 4. Okay, 2 by 4. You can even say 2 upon 4. But you will not say 2, 4. 2, 4 is like this. It can be 2, 4, 24.
Mom, can you say 2, 4?
You will say 2 by 4. Fraction is 2 by 4 or 2 upon 4. Right? Okay. Now, which is the numerator here and which is the denominator here in this 2 by 4?
Mom, numerator is 2 and denominator is 4.
Numerator is 2 and denominator is, yes, D for down,
Yes.
D for denominator. Okay. And the other part is numerator, of course, then. If you know one, then the other is automatically known to you. Okay, now let's see this another figure. It has 9 parts. Okay, and out of this, I can see that 8 are shaded. So what is the fraction here?
Mom, is it me?
Yes, what is the fraction?
Mom, 8 by 9.
8 by, okay, the shaded parts are 8, total parts are 9. Okay, which is the numerator, which is the denominator?
Mom, 8 is numerator and 9 is denominator.
Good. Okay, now tell me this one. See here. There are 8 balls here, okay, out of which these are the shaded ones, okay? You can see here, not the white ones, the blue colored ones are the shaded ones. Okay, now tell me what is the fraction? Yes, unmute and say.
Mom, 4 by 8.
4 by 8. So 4 by 8 can be reduced to what number?
Mom, 1 by 2.
1 by 2. Okay, because both are divisible by 4, 4 ones are and 4 twos. So you can write. And now tell me which is the numerator and denominator?
Numerator is 1, denominator is 2.
Good. Okay, now tell me this. Bhavesh is there. Bhavesh, are you back? Hello, Bhavesh.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, you lost your connection?
What?
You had lost your connection?
No, ma'am. I have a little problem in my side.
Okay. Okay, Bhavesh, now tell me this 4th one. What fraction is this? This is
Ma'am,
Madam, actually we are unable to see the screen through computer and we are joining through mobile. That instructor is suspended from mobile. So that's why I'm messaging to Manisha madam.
okay, okay. So now my screen is not visible to you.
Yes, madam.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
Could you allow through my mobile, madam? Could you allow?
I can allow, but I don't have access to that.
Okay.
Maybe
We are
if
leaving.
Manisha ma'am can help you.
Okay. Okay.
Uh, okay, so Neha, tell me this. Bhavesh, you have your book with you, no? NCRT book. Okay, Bhavesh is not there. Okay, Neha. Neha, tell me what fraction is this?
Um, Ma'am, I don't think these are divided into equal parts.
You don't need, these are equal only. Unequal fractions are not given yet. These are all equal parts only. Okay.
Ma'am, 1/4. 1/4, sorry.
Okay, 1/4. Good. Okay. So since these were curvy shapes, so you thought it's not equal. Okay. So which is the numerator and denominator here?
The numerator is 1 and denominator is 4.
Good. Okay. Now tell me the next one. What fraction is this? Fifth one.
3/7.
3/7. These are 5, 6, 7. Total are 7 and 3 are shaded. Okay. So numerator is what?
Numerator is 3 and denominator is 7.
Good. Okay. Now tell me here, how many are the total flowers?
12 flowers.
Yes. How many are shaded?
Shaded is the blue packet.
Shaded is these one, the blue one, this. Okay. These are the white ones.
Ma'am, 3/12.
So 3/2 can be reduced to
1/4.
1/4. Okay. And if you take these blue ones, no, these white ones, white and blue. If you
Yes,
take these ones as your, if you want to find the fraction of these ones, these,
yes.
okay. So then it will be what?
Ma'am, 9/12.
That will be 9/12. Okay. So 9/12 will be what if you reduce it to some lower form?
3/4.
3/12. Okay. Good. Now, these are the pencils given here. Now tell me what is the fraction here?
Ma'am, I think it's a whole.
Huh?
It's a whole. 1.
The whole. Okay, so you can see 10 pencils are here, and out of this, all 10 are similar.
Yes.
So 10/10, so that's 1, which is whole. Good bigger. Okay, now tell me what about this figure? How many triangles are there?
Ma'am, 9 triangles.
These are 9. How many are shaded?
4 are shaded. 9, 4/9.
Fraction is 4/9. Good bigger. Okay, now next is this. Okay, now tell me, is this making some fraction? Are the parts equal here?
Yes, ma'am, they do make a fraction.
Yeah, making. Okay, how many? What is the fraction here?
This is 4/8. The flower.
4/8, so that can be written as
1/2.
1/2. Very good. Okay, now what about this shape?
Ma'am, 1/2.
1/2. Okay, half part is shaded, so 1/2. Okay, color the part according to the given fraction. Now here you have to color it. Okay, do you have this book with you? NCRT book with you?
Ma'am, but this is not similar. It is not similar.
Okay, the book is not same.
No, ma'am.
Okay, what do you have in your book then? Because I have opened the recent chapter which has been currently uploaded.
Ma'am, but this book is 2015 to 16.
What?
Ma'am, this book is 2015 to 16.
This book is 2015 to 16. No, no, I have opened it online. Your book is 2015 to 16.
Ma'am, I'll just check it out. I'll bring it.
Huh.
Ma'am, I got it.
What is it?
Uh, Ma'am, it doesn't give me.
Show me the cover page of your book. Show me once again. So this is the same book, no? Same NCRT book. Okay, beta. Okay, okay. Okay. So show me your first page of this chapter. First exercise of this chapter in your book.
Yes,
Yes, Bhavish, all set?
And what?
All set? It's working fine
Yes,
now?
ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, beta. Hold it nicely, bring it more closer. I want to see what do you have in your book.
Ma'am,
Okay.
I think it's same.
So you have same things, Vichy.
Ma'am, but the page numbers are different. I got confused.
Okay. So it's the same thing. I have downloaded this chapter from the net. Okay, see. Now see, color the part according to the given fraction. Okay. Now here you have to see the fraction is given, you have to shade the part. So please do it in your book. You have your book in front of you. Bhavish, you also have, no?
Yes, ma'am.
This exercise 7.1, the first exercise in your chapter fractions, and shade 1/6 of the fraction. Okay. And shade it nicely with pencil. Okay. No one will use pen in the book. Right, beta? Do it with pencil. Light shading. Don't scribble it so dark. So the first fraction is 1/6 given to you. So you have to, how many parts will you shade here? Bhavesh will tell me, Bhavesh, how many parts will you shade in the first figure?
Ma'am, circle.
Yes, with a circle.
Ma'am, 1.
1. Good. And how many parts will you shade in the second one, the triangle?
Ma'am, triangle.
Yes.
Ma'am, also 1.
Oh, also. Good. Good, beta. Do it in your book. Done, children?
Ma'am, almost done.
All are done. Okay. Then Bhavesh?
Ma'am, one more.
Okay, do it. I'll give you worksheet for homework. So you will make the figures in your maths notebook and then shade it. Okay?
Ma'am, can I show you the figures?
Yes. Yes, beta. Good. And have you used scale to make the figures? Yes, Neha, have you used the scale?
Yes, ma'am, I did.
Yes. And for your circle also, you must take some round thing. Okay? You take some bangle to make your circle. Okay? And the lines should be made with scale, pencil and scale. Yes, Bhavesh, show me yours. Bhavesh, show me your work.
Ma'am, which one?
Just now what you were doing, shading the shapes.
Oh, okay.
Okay. Okay, beta. Good. Okay, so I'll give you worksheets like this. So you will be making those shapes in your maths notebook and then shading it and then writing the fractions also. Okay, now see question number 3 here. Identify the error. Okay, now in this case, you have to identify the error. Error means, what do you mean by error? What is the mistake there? Okay, there is some error, then you have to identify that. Now this is 1 by 2. Is it 1 by 2?
No, ma'am.
This first figure 1 by 2?
No, ma'am.
How can we say that?
Ma'am, because the parts are not equal.
Because the parts are not equal. Okay. Okay. Now this is it 1 by 4?
No, ma'am.
No. Because the parts are again not equal. And what about this? Is it 3 by 4?
No, ma'am.
No, this is again not because the parts are unequal. Okay. So this is the common reason in all three of the parts. Okay, let's see the next one. What fraction of a day is 8 hours? Okay, we did this yesterday also. Okay, Bhavesh, you'll tell me.
Ma'am, it's 8 by 24, ma'am.
Yes, it's 8 by 24 because
24.
a day, when we are talking about hours in a day, so in a day we have 24 hours. So that means total hours are 24 and 8 hours are the hours that we are talking about. So that's 8 by 24 and that can be reduced to 1 by 3. Okay, beta?
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
So what fraction of an hour is 40 minutes? Neha will tell me, Neha, what fraction of an hour is 40 minutes? It's hour and it's 40 minutes.
Ma'am, 40 by 60.
40 by 60 because in 1 hour we have 60 minutes. So 40 by 60 and if I want to reduce this to lower form, I will cancel the zeros here and 2 2s is 4, 2 3s is 6. So both can be cancelled with 2. Is it? Bhavesh and Neha?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
The lowest form of this fraction is 2 by 3. Okay?
Yes,
Both
ma'am.
of you understood this? How did I
Yes,
reduce it
ma'am.
to lower form? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Our next question is question number 6. Arya, Abhimanyu and Vivek shared lunch. Arya has bought 2 sandwiches, one made of vegetable and one of jam. The other two boys forgot to bring their lunch. Arya agreed to share his sandwiches so that each person will have an equal share of each sandwich. You understand the question? Now, other two friends, they did not bring their tiffin. Okay? Okay, and Arya has got two sandwiches. The other two boys forgot to bring, so he has to divide his sandwiches now. Okay, how can Arya divide his sandwich so that each person has an equal share? Okay, tell me this one first.
He could
Arya
like,
divides the sandwich.
he could cut the both sandwiches in half and give the halves to him to his
But
friend.
we are not half, no? They are three friends. Arya himself also has to have something, no? So that means
Ma-
yes. So that means those two sandwiches has to be divided into three equal parts, no?
Yes, ma'am.
One is to half part, one third part to be given to Arya, then Abhimanyu, then Vivek, right? So it has to be divided into three equal parts.
So each sandwich should be divided into three.
This will be divided into three equal parts. So he will give each friend one third part. Okay. Are you understanding? So suppose this is a sandwich. He will divide it into three equal parts. Okay. Somewhere like this. All right. Into three equal parts. So each friend will take one part of this. Similarly, another sandwich will also be uh, divided into equal parts, right? Like this or somewhere like this. Okay. All right.
Yes, ma'am.
So each person will take one part of other sandwich also. Okay. Okay, now next question which is asked here is, what part of the sandwich will each boy receive? Now, what part will each boy receive? Now, how much part of each sandwich each boy is receiving? So this is
2 by 3.
see here of each sandwich. I'm saying of this one sandwich, how much part one person is receiving? Arya
Ma'am,
is
1 by 3.
1/3.
1 by 3.
Okay. Abhimanyu is also getting 1/3. Out of three total parts, he's getting one, no, 1/3. Similarly, Vivek is also getting 1/3. Okay. So
Ma'am, I
each boy
thought
will
it was
receive
about 2 sandwiches.
1/3. Yes, beta.
Ma'am, I thought the question was about 2 sandwiches.
There are no, but the question is asking from each sandwich. What part of the sandwich will each boy receive? So of one sandwich they are asking. So similarly, same way, if they have 1/3 of one sandwich and 1/3 of the other sandwich, that means 1/3 plus 1/3. Okay, so that is 2/3. Okay,
Okay, ma'am.
so but you have not learned about addition of fractions, so we are not coming to addition part. Okay, so now in the question, it is just asked that how much part will each of them receive. Okay, let's see. I just make it big like this. Okay, now Kanchan dyes dresses. She had to dye 30 dresses. Okay. She has so far finished 20 dresses. What fraction of dresses has she finished? Okay, you have to find the fraction here. She dyes dresses. She had to dye 30 dresses.
20 by 30.
She had to dye a total of 30 dresses, but so far she has done only 20. So what will be the fraction?
Ma'am, 20 by 30.
20 by 30. Right, Rita? And what will be the lower form of this? Reduce
2 by 10.
2 by 3.
2 by 3.
3, sorry, ma'am.
Those and zeros will cancel. So 2 by 3. Are you getting?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So next question is question number 8. Write the natural numbers from 2 to 12. What fraction of them are prime numbers? So just write down prime numbers between 2 to 12. Quickly in your notebooks. First write all the natural numbers from 2 to 12 and then find how many are the prime numbers out of that. First write all natural numbers.
Ma'am, we should write the numbers between 2 to 10 or we should include 2 and 12 also.
Including 2 and 12 also. Include 2 and 12. Because in the question it is written natural numbers from 2 to 12. It's not written between. How many natural numbers are there between 2 and 2 to 12? Tell me how many natural numbers are there first.
Ma'am, 11.
11. Okay. How many prime numbers are there?
Ma'am, 5.
5. So what will be the fraction? Write the natural number from 2 to 12. What fraction of them are prime? So natural numbers from 2 to 12 are 11. Okay. Then prime numbers are 5. So what will be the fraction?
5 by 11.
5 by 11. You get it?
Yes.
Both of you understood this part? So
Yes.
first we wrote natural numbers from 2 to 12. It's not written between. It's written from 2 to 12. So that means 2 and 12 are inclusive. Okay. And then we have to find the prime numbers from 2 to 12. Okay. So 5 prime numbers are there and so the fraction becomes 5 by 12. It's written what fraction of them are prime numbers. So 5 by 12 are the prime numbers. Okay, beta? Okay, let's see this question. Write the natural numbers from 102 to 130. What fraction of them are prime numbers? So please write numbers from 102 to 113. This is the last question we'll do because class time is over. Or you can continue this, beta. I'll wind up with the class. Is it? Right? This question is same like the above question. Okay? Just write numbers from 102 to 130 and then find the prime numbers in that and write it in a fraction. Right? Okay, children. Okay, Bhabhi.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, just carry on with the sum. Same like the above. Okay,